Hey guys, just want to drop a quick video showing how to set up and prepare your box for your launch pad. So there's three different versions that we're going to offer. One of them is a dual 16 millimeter switch, one is a single 16 millimeter switch, and then we're also now going to have this single 19 millimeter switch as well. And depending on which version you get, one version will mount underneath the handle and the other is designed to go on the side of the case, similar to this. And what I do is you just basically figure out where you want to place it. And then what I'll do to mark my holes is I'll flip it top to bottom, not side to side. If you flip it side to side, it puts your switches on the wrong side. So flip it over where you want it, mark your holes. Don't forget your mounting holes, mark those as well. And then you'll drill out your respective holes. For the version that goes under the handle, a couple of things we have to do to prepare it first. You need to get your vent cap out of there. I've already taken the lock nut off of this one so we can get it out of the way. And then we need to remove the brass insert, the threaded insert that needs to come out, because as you can see, when you slide this one over, this one has a little cutout that sits over that embossment. We're going to need to drill right through where that brass insert is. So however you take it out, that's up to you. I normally use a step bit, something similar to this, and just run it right through there. Don't over drill it, just enough to get that brass piece out. And then once you've done that, then you can mark your holes and you can drill your respective holes. And I actually have one here that I'm in the middle of building, so you can see what it looks like when it's done if I put it in camera view. The next step is you can go ahead and pre-assemble most of your pad. So you can put your two switches in, your lock nuts go down here. Same thing for your charge port, lock nut goes there, and that's going to hold everything inside that plate. Then all you got to do is run your wires in there for that. Set it in. You can see that it sits nice and flush, no movement. It's exactly where it needs to be. And then you can take your charge port, slide it in, put your lock nut, and now everything is nice and snug. You can go ahead and pre-drill your holes here if you haven't already, and put your screws in. You could also seal this up before you wanted to, but I like to pre-do everything first just to make sure. And what I'm going to do for mine on the inside is I'm going to use a little butyl tape around here. You can use silicone, you can use Lexel, whatever you use to waterproof yours, but I'm going to put a little butyl tape around these just to make sure we don't have any air or water leaks. So I hope that helps you guys figure out how to wire yours up and prepare your launch pad to go inside your box.